Since its release in September 2024, Stalker 2, Heart of Chornobyl, has been plagued by a stuck-at-loading screen error. While major updates, particularly Update 1.2.0 in June 2025, have resolved the issue for about 85% of players, it persists for some, especially those with lower-end hardware. This problem arises from inefficient asset loading, memory allocation during game initialization or level transitions, and shader compilation bottlenecks. The game uses Unreal Engine 5, which compiles shaders on the fly, causing extended freezes, especially on first launch or after updates. Insufficient RAM handling can lead to out-of-memory errors, causing the loading process to hang. It is important to verify game files, update drivers, and potentially reinstall the game as a first step to resolution. First, ensure your system meets the minimum or recommended specifications. You need at least 16 GB of RAM, ideally 32 GB, and a dedicated GPU with DirectX 12 support. Try tweaking in-game settings to reduce load, reduce texture quality, disable VSync, and lower the resolution to ease the strain on your system. Some users have found success by forcing DirectX 12 mode using launch arguments. Add nice D3D12 to your game's launch options in Steam or Epic Games. Reinstalling the game and updating your graphics drivers are crucial steps. Verify game files through Steam or Epic and ensure your GPU drivers are current. Community-driven solutions like loader optimizers and unofficial patches from modding sites such as Nexus Mods have proven effective for many players. Remember that shader compilation can take time, especially after updates. Allow the game to load for up to an hour in some cases. Keep an eye out for smaller hotfixes that continue to be released.